In this video, I am going to show you the best IPTV apps for 2025 that you can use to stream your favorite content easily and conveniently. The first app on our list is IPTV Smarters Pro, which offers a user-friendly interface and supports various formats, making it a popular choice among users. Next, we have Tivimate, known for its advanced features and customizable options, allowing you to tailor your viewing experience. Another great option is Perfect Player, which provides an intuitive layout and supports both IPTV and local playlists, making it versatile for all users. Don't forget about Kodi, a powerful media center that can be enhanced with IPTV add-ons, giving you access to a wide range of channels and content. Lastly, GSE Smart IPTV is worth mentioning for its easy setup and compatibility with multiple devices. Each of these apps offers unique features, so you can choose the one that best fits your streaming needs. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel.